I do protein treatments once a month. I do hot oil treatments once a week. You guys are going to see me do my protein treatment and my hot oil treatment. And of course, I've already showed you how I make it. And while it's still warm, I go ahead and put it in my hair. Start working this through my hair, but don't wash your hair. I actually learned that the hard way. I think it's something like oil and water repel when they're heated up, so it'll actually, a hot oil treatment on wet hair will actually strip your hair of its moisture. And I couldn't figure out for the life of me, I think I did it like 3 times, why my hair had gotten so dry and brittle after a hot oil treatment. Like, it's not supposed to be this way. And I Googled it, of course, like I always do. And that's when I found out you only do hot oil treatments on dry hair. You never do them on wet hair. So that was definitely something I learned. You just want to apply this a very liberal amount to your hair. Make sure you get your ends well too. You just want to get this all through your hair and on your scalp too. But people in general are ashamed when it comes to like losing their hair, or their hair's thinning, or if it's short, or the edge is missing, you know, whatever the case may be. But we can all learn and grow our hair together. It's not that big a deal. It's just hair. It'll grow. It's really important to stick to a hair regimen. I think that's the best thing I've learned from my hair too, and to figure out what works best for your hair. Because not everything you see or every hairstyle you see is going to be good for your hair. Especially my edges. Massage those edges. You see how my fingers just glide through my hair? Like, this is long. But I'm gonna stop rambling and just do this to the other side of my hair too. Just gonna take one of these plastic cap. Now that I got this cap on, I'm just gonna sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes. I'm going to sit under this. This is the blow dryer, and attached I have this like hot bonnet by Golden Hot. You can get them at the beauty supply for like $10 or $12. And when I'm done, I'm going to do my protein treatment, so you'll see that part next. My hair feels like butter. Oh, this is so soft. Now that that's all done, I'm going to co-wash my hair, and I'm going to use the Garnier Fructis. If you didn't know, co-washing is when you don't use shampoo, you use conditioner to wash your hair instead. I'm just going to take some of this and rinse it through my hair to get out the excess oils, and then I'm going to put on my protein treatment. I've co-washed my hair, I'm going to put in the protein treatment that I made earlier. Ooh, my hair is so soft. So I'm just gonna part my hair into 4 sections like I always do. Take that protein treatment I made. This is what it looks like. It's nice and thick. And I'm gonna start by parting each section in half. Because this is so thick, it's not something that has a lot of slip that can easily glide through all of your hair. I'm just gonna put that on each section of hair until my hair is fully coated. Over my hair, all my hair in there. And I'm gonna put my heat bonnet back on. I only do this once a month, so I do try to get as much, you know, of that treatment into my hair as possible. So I might sit under there for 15 minutes, I might sit under there for 30, at least 15 minutes though. Protein treatments can make your hair very dry, so you do want to go in with a deep conditioner afterwards to put some of that moisture back in there. But my hair is so soft. I wish I could do a close-up of it for you because it has some good shine from the honey that I put in there. So yeah, thanks for sticking around with me, guys. I just hope you learned something from this video. So stick around for my deep conditioning video because I'm very sure I'm going to teach you a thing or two in that video as well.